Here's why Google Pixel 9 could fit in a Pixel 9 Pro case. Google has finally released its much-awaited flagship, the Pixel 9 series, during the Made by Google event held on August 13, which included the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the foldable Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Surprisingly, Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro have a similar size. The Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro have a 6.3-inch display, and these similar sizes offer a beckoning perk. The two phones can share the same accessories. Now, why does the Pixel 9 case fit the Pixel 9 Pro? To see whether a phone case is compatible with another phone model, one needs to consider the screen size. Both the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro models share the same physical dimensions, measuring 6 by 2.8 by 0.3 inches. However, the camera setups of both models differ, as Pixel 9 has a 50MP wide, 47MP ultra-wide, and 10.5MP front camera, while Pixel 9 Pro offers a 50MP wide, 48MP ultra-wide, 48MP telephoto, and 42MP front camera. Moreover, the buttons and cutouts on both models are also in the same positions. So if you've got a Pixel 9 Pro but accidentally bought a Pixel 9 case, there's no need to worry, as you can use Pixel 9's case on your Pixel 9 Pro device and vice versa. Google usually releases its lineup of official cases along with new devices, so this time it won't include separate cases for the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro.